Decorate the tree, a festive English phrase explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a festive phrase that you've probably heard quite a bit, especially around the holiday season. Decorate the tree. We'll explore what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in your conversations. Whether you're new to English or just looking to expand your vocabulary, this video is for you. Decorate the tree refers to the activity of adorning a tree with decorative items. This tradition is most commonly associated with Christmas, a major holiday celebrated in many parts of the world. The tree, usually an evergreen conifer such as a fir, spruce, or pine, is brought indoors or placed in a public space and decorated with Christmas lights, ornaments, tinsel, and sometimes topped with a star or angel. This activity is not just about beautifying the tree. It's a way to bring families, friends, and communities together during the holiday season. The tradition of decorating a tree for Christmas has roots that go back to the 16th century in Germany. Early decorations were simple and natural, such as apples, nuts, or dates. Over time, the practice evolved, and today, we use a wide variety of decorations, including handmade items, glass balls, lights, and much more. The Christmas tree has become a symbol of the holiday season and represents joy, peace, and the spirit of giving. You can use decorate the tree in various contexts, not just literally but also metaphorically. Here are some examples. This weekend, we're going to decorate the tree. Would you like to join us? I love how we decorate the tree together every year. It's my favorite holiday tradition. Metaphorically, it can be used to mean adding embellishments or improvements to something, such as, let's decorate the tree of our project with some innovative ideas. We hope this video has shed some light on the festive phrase, decorate the tree, and added a bit more holiday spirit to your day. It's a wonderful tradition that not only beautifies our homes but also brings us closer to our loved ones. Whether you're celebrating Christmas or simply enjoy learning about cultural traditions, remembering this phrase can add a festive touch to your English conversations. Thanks for watching, and we wish you a joyous holiday season.